Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Magene C406. First, make sure your device is fully charged to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, download the Magene utility app onto your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for configuring and managing your C406. Once the app is installed, power on your C406 by pressing and holding the left button for about 3 seconds until the screen illuminates. This ensures your device is ready for pairing. Now, let's pair your C406 with the app. Open the Magene utility app and either register a new account or log in if you already have one. Look for the Add Device or plus icon, usually located on the main screen, and tap it. From the list of available Magene devices, select C406. Your phone and the C406 will then prompt you to confirm the pairing request. Accept it on both to establish the connection. Once your C406 is connected, you can add external sensors. Go to the Sensor Management section in the Magene utility app. Tap Add Sensor and choose the specific type, such as a heart rate monitor, speed sensor, or cadence sensor. Make sure your external sensor is active and broadcasting its signal. The app will then list nearby sensors. Select yours to pair it, typically using either ANT+ or Bluetooth technology for accurate data collection. Finally, personalize your C406 and manage your data. Within the app, you can customize the data fields and display pages on your C406 to show exactly what you need during your rides. Set up automatic synchronization with popular platforms like Strava or Training Peaks to effortlessly upload your ride data. Regularly review your ride statistics and device settings in the app. And remember to check for firmware updates to keep your C406 performing at its best with the latest features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.